Okay, so here it is. How are we all doing? I am very excited. I'm very excited because I got to show you something. I got to show you something so cool. This book over here. Now, it is the Rabbi Kaplan Anthology, Parts 2, and inside it has Waters of Eden. Now, Waters of Eden is a book that Rabbi Kaplan wrote concerning the concepts, the halachot, and the ideas behind going to a mikvah. Now, I tell you this because when I was 19 years old, I picked up this exact book. Well, this is a different copy, but inside it, on page 341, Rabbi Kaplan goes through the most, I think, important parts of the Derech Hashem in 6 pages. And a lot of people always ask, Rabbi Bensoussan, where do you get your stuff? Or more than that, where do you get like a certain clarity with Hashem and the way it works? And I always accredit it to the Derech Hashem, and I still do. But I forgot that when I was 19 or 20 years old, when I picked up this book, it was actually Rabbi Kaplan that gave me the clarity to be able to then eventually understand it. So what I want to do over the next few days, and I'm so pumped about this, I want to go through just these very few pages. And with that, I'm telling you, it's going to give such clarity to your life. It's going to answer up so many questions. So I'm very pumped to share this with you. Stay tuned. It's going to be absolutely awesome.